If you have a Shopify store and you're facing a technical issue of some sort on a storefront or in admin, for example, you cannot log into your admin panel, or you cannot open orders, or there's some sort of a technical glitch, and you're not sure if this is a common problem across the platform or it's only your store, and there's a very easy way to find out. Basically, there's a website called shopifystatus.com. It tells you what is the status of all Shopify ecosystem, whether there's an issue with admin, reports, API, support, and stuff like that. Currently, everything is functional, but oftentimes if I see there's a problem, I check this website, there could be a notice somewhere, maybe like an outage or maintenance. So make sure to basically bookmark this page, especially if you have a Shopify store. It becomes really handy. There are occasions where a store may be facing a technical issue, but still all systems do be noted here as they're all operational functional. But usually it's the case when very small percentage of stores are affected. It's relatively rare. So that's the video. So I hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching.